Welcome to English Easy. In this video, we'll talk about conjunction and its types. इस वीडियो में हम conjunction और उसकी अक़साम के बारे में बात करेंगे. First, we discuss its definition that what is a conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins words, phrases, clauses or sentences. For example, and, but, or, nor, because, though, although, if, unless, and so on. There are so many conjunctions. Let us see some examples of general conjunctions. In example 1, boys and girls are running. Here this word and is a conjunction. It is joining two words, boys and girls. In example number 2, he is on the roof or in the lawn. This or is a conjunction here, and in this example, this conjunction is joining two phrases, on the roof and in the lawn. In example 3, students are playing but teachers are taking tea. In this example, this but is a conjunction, and this conjunction is joining two clauses, students are playing and teachers are taking tea. So, according to the definition, the word which joins words, phrases, clauses are sentences. So, we have seen here all three examples of joining words, phrases and clauses. Now, let us proceed to the types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions. These are 7 in number, and linguists have made an acronym to remember these 7 conjunctions, and they call it fanboys. Fanboys, F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So you can remember all these 7 conjunctions with the help of this acronym fanboys, or the order in which I have written here. I like this order to remember all these 7 conjunctions: and, but, yet, or, nor, for, so. And, but, yet, or, nor, for, so. आप किसी भी तरीके से इन 7 कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस को अपने जहन में रख सकते हैं. फैन बॉयज इस एक्रोनिम को याद कर लीजिए, या फिर इसी तरह तरतीब से इनको याद कर लीजिए: एंड, बट, येट, और, नॉर, फॉर, सो. आई हैव रिटन हियर अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. नंबर 1, I have a pen and a pencil. Here this and is conjunction. In example 2, I call him but he did not respond. This but is conjunction, and it joins here in this sentence two clauses: I call him, he did not respond. In sentence number 3, I have apologized yet he is angry. Here conjunction is yet, and it's also joining two clauses. Number 4, what would you like to eat, fruit or sweets? This or is conjunction, and it is joining these two words, fruit and sweets. These are coordinating conjunctions. All coordinating conjunctions join the phrases, words or clauses of the same rank. Important point that I would like to share with you here is that if you are confused between compound sentences and complex sentences, you can separate them with the help of these coordinating conjunctions. If the sentences or clauses are joined with one of these 7 coordinating conjunctions: and, but, yet, or, nor, for, so, that sentence will be a compound sentence. And if there is none of these 7 coordinating conjunctions, then it will be a complex sentence. मैं एक बहुत अहम पॉइंट आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस में कंफ्यूज्ड हैं, तो याद रखिए कि अगर क्लॉजेस इन 7 में से किसी भी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन के ज़रिए से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो समझ जाइए कि वो एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है. और अगर इन 7 में से कोई भी कंजंक्शन मौजूद नहीं है तो समझ जाइए कि वो एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है। Subordinating conjunctions. As already I have told you about the coordinating conjunctions, that a coordinating conjunction joins the words, phrases or clauses of an equal rank, whereas subordinating clause doesn't do the same job. It comes before the clause, it makes it dependent clause. And now before proceeding, we must know dependent and independent clause. For example, in sentence number 1, there are two clauses. She is excited, it is one clause, whereas she has won the medal, it's an other clause. And because it is a conjunction and it is a subordinating conjunction, it joins these two clauses, but both of these clauses are not of the सेम रैंक। ये जो दो क्लॉजेज हैं जिन्हें बिकॉज ने जोड़ा है, ये दोनों क्लॉजेज सेम रैंक के नहीं हैं। इनमें से एक क्लॉज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है और दूसरा इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है। इन्हीं को डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट को हम मेन क्लॉज और सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज के नाम से भी जानते हैं। तो आइए थोड़ा सा हम इस पर भी बात कर लेते हैं। इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज द क्लॉज विच कैन स्टैंड इटसेल्फ। इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज ऐसा क्लॉज होगा जो अकेला कायम रह सकता है। इन दिस सेंटेंस शी इज एक्साइटेड, इट कैन स्टैंड इट्स ओन, whereas because she has won the medal, it cannot stand itself, it cannot stand without this independent clause. So subordinating conjunctions make the clause dependent. The clause comes after subordinating conjunction, that is a dependent clause, or that is a subordinating clause, whereas the other clause is independent or main clause. So subordinating clauses join dependent and independent clauses. In example 1, she is excited because she has won the medal. This part, she is excited, this is an independent clause, whereas because she has won the medal, it is a dependent clause. In sentence number 2, we had reached the station before the train departed. This is a subordinating conjunction, and this clause which is coming after this subordinating conjunction is a dependent clause or subordinating clause, whereas the other one clause is independent clause. We had reached the station, it is an independent clause, whereas the clause coming after subordinating conjunction is not an independent clause, it cannot stand itself. It is a dependent clause or coordinating clause. In sentence number 3, you will not succeed unless you work hard. This clause, you work hard, coming after this subordinating conjunction unless, is a dependent clause. This clause depends upon this independent clause. You will not succeed. You will not succeed unless you work hard. So it was all about subordinating clauses, and now we proceed to the third type, that is correlative conjunctions. Then comes correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions occur in pairs, just like as, not only, but also, either or, neither nor, both and so on. There are many other examples too, but let us discuss the examples of these pairs, these correlative conjunctions. In example 1, please call me back as soon as possible. Here, as soon as. Example of first one, as soon as possible. In example 2, not only you, but also I got a job. Here, not only and but also. They always come in pairs. Example number 3, neither she nor he recommends this book. Neither and nor. In the same way, in example 4, either or. Either you or he rang the bell at 12. Either or. In example 5, I like both physics and chemistry. I like both physics and chemistry. both and. So viewers, it was all about conjunctions. We have studied the definition of conjunction and its kinds. Hope so that it will prove very helpful to you. So subscribe our channel and please like and share the video. Thank you very much.